I'm so glad you made it to the end of the course, and you're probably wondering, what course should I take next? I get this question a lot from students, and I wanted to provide you a quick guide and overview of the other great classes I offer. At any time, you can go to lindsaymarsh.myportfolio.com for a full list of courses. You can watch preview videos there to find out which class might be best for you. There's even a discount list you can find at the top of my website that will give you access to lower-priced course discounts at any time. First of all, I offer a few different categories of classes and some at different skill levels. If you're interested in beginner-level courses, the Graphic Design Masterclass, Learn Great Design, is a great well-rounded course for reviewing graphic design, including graphic design theory, practical projects, and beginner-level software training. This teaches the Adobe Design software. Not interested in learning the Adobe Design software? I also teach a design class that teaches all of the Affinity suite of products, including software that can replace Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign, and is a cheaper alternative for those looking for an alternative to Adobe products. Interested in going freelance with your creative skills? I have a very extensive course that goes over all aspects of freelancing in creative fields. And you'll set your goals and your target market. You'll create a personal brand. You'll build a portfolio. You'll learn how to find clients, create contracts, and learn how to price your work. And I recommend this class for anyone who has ever thought that freelancing could be for them. I also have two specialty courses that focuses on one topic. The first one is a specialty logo design mastery course, which dives deep into the logo design process. As we work with the golden ratio, we work with clients as we produce 2 full logo designs and create finished files. We'll also talk about logo design theory and learn Adobe Illustrator's awesome tools to help us create dynamic symbols, icons, and logos. I have another specialty course dedicated in going deep into Adobe Photoshop. We'll learn and master editing and photo manipulation by completing 5 very unique and fun projects. Looking for more intermediate level courses? The Graphic Design Mastery course follows the entire brand design process from logo design to website layout for a high-end lotion brand. We'll create all the assets needed for a brand, including a package design, advertising, social media, stationery, and more, and it's a great intermediate level class. I also offer a great project-based course that has both beginner, intermediate, and advanced level projects. This is a pure project-based course, and we conquer lots of different popular design projects, including book cover design, food package design, branding for a conference, which includes large signage, lanyards, posters, and more. And we even do a YouTube thumbnail and an album cover. For those looking to follow the UX or UI, or user experience and user interface side of design, I have a course that walks through the creation of a mobile food delivery app, the entire user experience process and the design process using Adobe XD. We'll also learn Adobe XD from scratch. If you want to stay up to date with projects, design trends, course updates, and also participate in student design challenges, I have a lot of different social media accounts you can follow. I have an Instagram account at Lindsay Marsh Design, a YouTube account at youtube.com/Lindsay Marsh, and lastly, a Facebook page, facebook.com/Lindsay Marsh Design. I try to give feedback to student projects. I even try to post free lessons and videos from time to time, as well as do those student design challenge review videos. So I look forward to seeing you there. Remember to check out my website if you're interested in finding any of these courses at a discounted price. And also keep an eye out for special deeper discounts that are offered periodically. If you still have questions on what class might be best for you, please feel free to reach out to me anytime and ask. I'm happy to put together a personalized course plan for you.